Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to Fun. We're doing a real big heading to Disneyland, but first we got to get our breakfast. Today is February 15, 2025. Before we head to the park, we're getting breakfast because it's already an expensive day, and we don't want to waste time. As soon as we get to the park, we don't want to be hungry. We're doing a Jack in the Box. Did the app. The app is amazing. You could customize your order. They had our order ready. That was awesome. We got our food already. There's no. Welcome back to the fun.
Back to the fun.
Party of 6. Where are the other hot dogs? We're gonna go pick them up. Yeah. Hopefully they're awake. You ready?
Yeah.
Let me see your Mickey ears. Oh, super cool. All right, let's go. Hey, there's that restaurant I went. Park opens at 8. Parking lot at 7. It's 6:43 right now. If you don't do Disneyland all the time, this is what you want to do. Let's get here before the parking lot opens. Look at all the cars, my guys. Let's string close up. How much is a parking nowadays? I don't know. 35 bucks. Remember where we parked? 57 Easter. Let's do it. Doors are being opened. Gates, I mean. Welcome back to the fun, Javi. Back to the fun, Brandon. There's the Gil. Lakered out. Ninered out. Brisa's ninered out. I'm Lakered out. Oh wait, ninered out. My bad. And there comes Nana. Look. Looks like they have a new system. Little gates open, kind of like the airport. But the new system is not on. She's still scanning. Rope drop. Frontierland. There's a castle. Oh, that looks amazing, my guys. I heard the Florida one is bigger. Way too much walking over there. I'm fine over here. Officially party of 7 with Selena Beats here. And Nona with her little Wolverine. Super good. Shout outs to Trash Truck of South Carson. Happy birthday. And shout outs to Jesus. We got some patichis waiting for the rope drop as well. They're kind of sad because Jolly Holiday is closed, so they haven't been feeding as much lately. So hot dogs. Indiana Jones cute, pretty amazing. We got some snake situation over here. Oh, they got a bigger one over there. Look at that. Cobra. What is this, a Karate Kid? Cobra Kai? I got my meta glasses in case I'm able to record. If it's not too dark, I'll see what I can capture during the ride. We do have a lightning lane, but we scheduled the Haunted Mansion at 8. Between 8 and 9 a.m. we could go there. So this one, as soon as it opened, there shouldn't be too long of a wait. I love how spooky it looks in here, like we're in some kind of cave. I think in my previous life, I don't believe in those, but I was probably an explorer or an archaeologist or something. I don't know what they're called. But this is fake and it gets me excited. Imagine a real cave, a real pyramid. That probably would have been me right there exploring. Got caught slipping. Looks like this stone's gonna fall on top of us. The lights are flickering. That's pretty cool. All right, Indiana Jones, we're literally next. You ready, my guys? Whoa! Oh no, we got a big neck situation. Whoa! It's hot dog! Good luck with that! Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Hey! Where you been? Now you tell us. Oh! Oh! Speak for yourself, my guy. There goes Nona. She's gonna go get the stroller and move it along. We're gonna go get in line for Pirates and wait for Nona. That's how we split and try and get ahead of the line. We'll probably do a river run later in the day. It's a cool ride, but we're trying to hit the heavy hitters. Stand by and lightning lane. Let's do it. Stand by to the left, lightning lane to the right. Haunted Mansion. Now in this room, we're being asked to fill in all the dead space.
Everest Palace betrays an aura of foreboding.
This is haunted.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this
Definitely my imagination.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offer a way out.
Hot dog is cooked.
Frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive. And they'll haunt you until you return. Now,
Bro, it's tall.
raise the safety
It's
bar,
taller than me.
and a ghost will follow you home.
Ha 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 ha. Looks like this is our stop. Where's Silly Sally? Oh.
Make final arrangements now.
Ain't nobody trying to join you.
We've been dying to have.
You're on your own. We made it, my guys. Oh, she looks creepy, bro. Hey, the skeleton is trying to leave the tombstone. Next up, Splash Mountain. They renamed it, but I call it Splash Mountain. Splash Mountain. We ain't trying to get wet early in the day, so we got booties and ponchos for our shoes and for ourselves. 8:55 a.m. No wait time. No wait time. We're literally next. Okay, maybe 5 minutes. We're literally next. Got my booties. I don't want to get my feet wet. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you guys look dope. Who has booties? Only you? Only me? Only you. All right, good luck, my guys. We'll see you at the end. Let's go. Welcome to Florida Bayou, home of the Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen. Super cool. Cool. And here we go. Look at Matterhorn. Whoa! man, I hope my lens is capturing all this. Yeah, good. We're gonna look funny. You should have worn your booties. As long as my feet are not wet, I'm good. Man, but if it wasn't for this poncho, I'd be soaked. Do not ride the front. I don't know about the back, but the front is crazy. You get soaked. Man, these rides are way longer than Universal's rides. Boom, I hope you have insurance. Oh, let's try and get out of here.
Right now.
Is that us?
Yeah, that's us.
Damn, we look dope.
Is that it right now? I see your glasses.
I know, they're so wet, right? Let's go recharge them. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Looks amazing, let's go. Lightning lane right in the middle. All right, we just completed the scan-in for Fast Pass. Now we're gonna book another ride. Whoa, this one looks awesome. We're on standby. We're literally next. Looks like Javi and me are pilots.
Today's flight takes you to the planet.
Bro! Oh, let's crash this thing. Yeah. 100%.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Weapons are offline. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud.
Well, that was fun. Leaving Galaxy's Edge, heading to Matterhorn, 30-minute standby, and then Big Thunder Mountain. We got a Fast Pass or whatever it's called. Matterhorn was down. Pirates of the Caribbean said 20 minutes. It looked more like an hour. And we need to be free for Big Thunder Mountain. It's our next lightning pass at 10:30. So we're over here doing Winnie the Pooh. It's about 10:07. We've done so far Indiana Jones, Haunted Mansion, Big Thunder Mountain, Blue Bayou, whatever it's called now, Millennium Falcon, and now Winnie the Pooh. Here comes our honeycomb. We're gonna be dripped in honey. Look at the little elephant, a little elephant bee. Bro is living his life. Look at that. Bro looks like me at lunchtime. Oh, we got tigers out there. Look at that. We're literally next. Here comes our train. Oh no, that's not ours. Thank you. And now I am ready to record hands-free. Is that our train? I think it is. All aboard. Yes, the other side, ma'am. Whoa. Big Thunder Mountain was fun. I tried to get this one on a lightning lane, but right now we have Matterhorn on the lightning lane. So we're gonna do standby and then do Matterhorn. El Capitan, Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. Lightning lane at the left, Standby 35 minutes. Definitely has that feel like we're at the theaters. The Rocketeer? No, Mouseketeer. Super cool cartoon airplane up there. Let's drive. Good luck, my guy. Oh, the wizard. Whoa! Oh, wait, that's just me. I got scared right there. It ain't my birthday yet.
Yeah, like fooling ourselves with a roll. Right. Woo, woo, woo.
We're at Cinemark concession stand. Part of the lights is out. Gotta get our snacks for this movie. They have cotton candy, kekis. It's all fake. Giant pretzel, hot chocolate. Total $11. That's cheap. Some pepcorn. Oh no, that's redundant. Ketchup and catsup. Cheese, butter.
What's your cheese?
Your cheese. My cheese. Whoa! His arm is stretching. Pretty cool taxis. Next stop, Matterhorn. So after Splash Mountain, my Ray-Ban Meta glasses, smart glasses, got wet, and there was having technical difficulties with the audio only. So it's part of Big Thunder Mountain. It didn't record audio. I have like 3 or 4 different videos, so I'll share what I can. What did catch audio. Hopefully now it's working. I kind of dried them out and everything. We'll see what happens. Welcome to Barrio Disneyland, SpaceX locals. We're about to go to space, my guys. Star Command, Star Command, come in, Star Command. Ready to depart. Space Mountain. Uh-oh.
I want your children. You're cleared for launch.
I'm scared. I think you're getting going right. Oh, wow. SpaceX.
Power transfer in 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Whoa! Woo! We made it, my guys! Welcome back, hot dogs. Cool. That was awesome. Space Mountain was awesome. Next ride is Star Tours. Look at this backpack, 90 bucks. There's Nona, Selena, and Brandon. I got eyes on Hobby House. There. Disneyland balloon? No, pillow. 40 bucks. Awesome kids backpack. Dark Side. Final look up. I miss it. Pretty cool UFO. Hot dog wants some snacks over there. We brought him snacks. Well, Nona did. Good job, Nona. Saved me about $20 probably, give or take. We finally found Arturito. He's talking.
So long as you don't offend me. Watch your language, Arthur, and check the laser cannons. Who knows what space debris you'll run into?
Do you desire a place to get?
How's the weather out there?
Don't stop the rock, hot dog.
Answer, I don't really care.
If you know, you know. Smells like hydraulic gears.
Captain, I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact
Cool.
departure on frequency 129er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy.
Oh, it's Miguel! Go!
Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Miguel's the spy.
Someone could get
They're trying to get a girl. Let's get out of here. All right, hot dogs. This is gonna be part 1, or else this video is gonna be too long. Heading out for lunch. We're gonna be taking a break for lunch. So yeah, part 1. Part 2 will be a totally different video. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. Bye, guys.
Bye.